So hey, what is up everyone? Today we have the Huawei Watch GT5 Pro replica, the HT32 Smartwatch. So we will talk about all of its features in this video. First of all, inside the box we get the HT32 Smartwatch. We have leather straps inside it, a USB-A wireless charger, and the user manual to get you started with all of the functions. So let's take off the plastic wrap and take a closer look on the smartwatch. So before we move further and talk more about the smartwatch, if you're new to the channel, a subscribe would be highly appreciated. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, and for the future videos you can turn on the notifications. The similarity with the Huawei Watch GT5 Pro is insane. So here's a look at the original Huawei Watch GT5 Pro. The time markers are the same. Then we also have a red circle around the knob key just like the original, and all of the cuts and everything is looking exactly the same, although the straps are not same as the original, and these are simple silicone straps. So here's how the smartwatch is looking on the wrist. The straps are quite comfortable. The smartwatch is also looking quite good on the wrist, and we are not stuck with the straps in the box. It uses removable straps, and you can use any 22mm straps with it. After that, we get two keys on the body. We have an insensible knob key which can be used to scroll and to go back from a selection, and we have the side key here which can be customized to any function you want. For example, I'm going with the sport mode, so you can access sport modes directly from here. Before moving further, let's go ahead and take a look at all of the languages supported by it. Then it is advertised to come with a 1.43 inches AMOLED display, because of which the overall saturation of the colors is quite good and the colors are quite true to life, and the purity of the black color is also quite good, and it won't emit light from the black areas in the dark, which also helps in providing a great battery life. Then on the home screen we get the control center, then we have the widgets page here. After that we get the quick access applications, and from bottom to top we have the notifications. It also comes with two menu styles inside it. We have this list view, and you can tap and hold if you want to change it to checkerboard or a grid menu style. After that, it comes with 19 watch faces inside it. So only this watch face is a built-in watch face, and to install more watch faces you can use the Livewear application. Other than that, you can also use QI Fit Pro, QI Fit, Video Fit, or the Q Watch Pro application. So in its dial market we have a lot of watch faces, and all of them are available for totally free, and whichever one you want to install. For example, if you're going with this one, just tap on the install button, and other than this built-in watch face, you can uninstall the rest of the 17 watch faces available here and install your favorite ones from the dial market. Other than these 18 watch faces, you can install one watch face from the gallery. For that, first of all, you need to select a picture from the gallery by tapping here. Then you can select digital or pointer dial, and not just that, you can also move the content freely on the watch face according to the wallpaper you have selected. After that, you can display some information on it. We have the picture brightness option, and you can also change the font color from here, and it also shows a live change here. But if you're changing the wallpaper, you will have to tap on the save button. If you talk about the screen time, the normal screen time has a maximum time of 30 seconds, or you can use the always on display option from here, using which the display can stay on until the battery runs out. Other than that, we also get the always on display option. It has two styles, one with the pointer clock and one with the digital clock. Talking about the gestures, we have the raise to wake option to turn off the display and to turn it back on, and not just that, it also comes with the tap to wake option, but it only works for 5 seconds when the display goes off. This option is only available to quickly turn on the display if it turned off while you were doing something. Using the watch application, you can also receive notifications on it, and here we also get the others option, which means even if an application isn't listed here, it can still send you the notifications for it. So let's test it out. So when you receive a new notification, it wakes up the display and shows a full screen prompt. Here's how the notification center looks like. Unfortunately, it does not support emojis and also does not support scrolling. We also have the call notification option, and in the control center we also have the Bluetooth calling option here. When it turns green means it is now enabled. So using Bluetooth calling, you can call a number directly from the smartwatch. So you can also receive calls directly on it. It rings as well as vibrates on the incoming call, and also shows the name of the caller without syncing the contacts. After accepting the call, we have the mute option, the option to transfer the code to the smartphone and back to the smartwatch. Then we have the sound adjustment as well as the hang up option. Using the application, you can also add up to 500 commonly used contacts in the smartwatch and call them directly from here. We also have the option to push the weather updates to the smartwatch. It also shows the weather for the upcoming days. And since a lot of you ask, yes, the application can also connect with Apple Health. The smartwatch is advertised to come with a storage capacity of 1 GB. To take advantage of the storage, we have the option to store pictures in the smartwatch. It can store a lot of pictures inside it. You can also zoom in and zoom out on the pictures. And notice that whichever one you like, you can tap here and then create it as a wallpaper. And just like this, you can use any picture you like from the gallery as a custom watch face. Then we have the local music option, using which you can store local music in the smartwatch and listen to it directly on the smartwatch. And not just that, we also have the Bluetooth earphones option, using which you can connect your smartwatch with Bluetooth earphones and listen to the songs stored on the smartwatch directly on the earbuds. Then you can also record sound directly on the smartwatch, and once you are done with the recording, you can listen to it directly on the smartwatch. And you can also go to the recording tab on the application and then tap here to download the file. And once it finishes, you can play it on the smartphone, or tap here if you want to save it to the files or share it on other applications. In the end, to take advantage of the storage, you can also store ebooks in the smartwatch and store txt files. It comes with a lot of sport modes inside it, and the good thing is that you can tap here if you want to customize the calories or time target. And while the sport mode is running, you can also swipe here to control the media playing on the device or to listen to the songs directly on the smartwatch. It also comes with the pedometer, which stores all of your steps data. And after taking a few steps in the room, I can confirm that the pedometer is working fine. We also get the heart rate, blood pressure, and the blood oxygen level checker inside it. I wouldn't trust the blood pressure values, but let's go ahead and try out the heart rate checker. If we use it on the table, it has given the error, which means that it comes with weight detection and will only measure the data when it detects your skin at the back. So let's test it out with the oximeter. So the values are quite similar and it has passed the oximeter test. Other than that, it also comes with the sleep tracker inside it. And we also have the breath training here, where you can customize the speed and the time, and then it's going to start it. If we talk about the rest of the applications, you can add alarms directly in the smartwatch. It has the ring option here. Unfortunately, you cannot change the ringtone. Here's how the alarm is shown. It rings as well as vibrates. And here we have the close and the snooze option. Once you tap on the snooze button, it will ring the alarm again after 5 minutes. After that, we have your timer here. You can tap here to set time according to your need, and when the timer ends, it vibrates for around 2 seconds, but it does not ring. But to be honest, the vibration intensity is good enough to let you know that the timer has ended. We also have the stopwatch here. You can tap here to start it and tap here to add as many laps as you want. You can also check out the laps while the stopwatch is running, but unfortunately, you cannot go back while it's running. It also comes with a game inside it. We have Whack-A-Mole here. Then the calculator has the basic functionalities like multiplication, division, subtraction, and addition. It does not have the percentage option. In the end, if we talk about the battery life, it is advertised to come with a battery capacity of 400 mAh. It can be charged using the wireless charger provided in the box. If I talk about my personal experience, it was not so good. I've been working on this video for about 30 minutes now, in which it has gone down from 50% to 43%, losing 7% of the battery. During this time, I was continuously interacting with the smartwatch, and in the beginning the brightness level was at 75%, and then I moved it to 50%. But in my opinion, if you do not use your smartwatch much and only use it on the screen of dial with the notifications enabled, then it can give you around 2 days of battery life. And this will be all from the HT32 smartwatch. So guys, what do you think about it? In my opinion, it is more than just a replica. It not only looks exactly like the Huawei Watch GT5 Pro, but other than that, it also comes with a 1 GB of storage capacity to store pictures, music, sound recordings, and ebooks inside it. And the sensors are also working quite well. It passed my oximeter test. And other than that, it also comes with an AMOLED display and an always on display option. If you would like to place an order, I'm gonna be leaving its link in the description box below, and I would really appreciate if you can use that link to purchase the smartwatch. For the upcoming videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. I will catch you in the next one. Until next time, this is iMAT. Peace.